In front of you is a heavy-duty tractor which is developed by our factory. And this is TC series tractor. In our factory, we use the TC series tractor include 160 horsepower, 180 horsepower, 200 and 220 horsepower tractor. And the net weight of this tractor is 8,000 kilograms. The length of this tractor is 5.3 meters. Of this tractor is 2.3 meters. And the speed from the base to the top is 10 meters. About the tire, we install the Armu brand tire on it. Armu brand is a famous tire in China. The volume of this diesel tank is 300 liters and it can ensure you to work for 8 hours per day. For making this tractor it's reliable working on the big size farmland, we install the Garhead brand front axle on this tractor. We install Yuchai brand emission 3 standard diesel engine on this tractor, and the engine has turbocharger. We also can install Yuto brand diesel engine on this tractor. We install air pump on this tractor. This device can supply high pressure air for agricultural tools such as seeder and trailer and anything else. For the gear shift, this tractor has 16 forward and 8 reverse gear shift. We also can install Corolla gear shift on this tractor. The Corolla gear shift is 24 forward and 8 reverse. This is 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive control level. This is PTO control level, and this tractor has PTO has 2 speed. The first speed is 540 and the second speed is 1000. This is a handbrake parking level. Okay. This is the 3 groups hydraulic output wave control level. This is 3 suspension up and down control level. This is secondary clutch control level. This is air conditioning control panel. Here are 3 groups hydraulic output wave. These waves are for connecting agricultural tools. If you need 4 groups, please let me know. We can also install another group hydraulic output wave on this tractor. 3 standard 3-point suspension is installed on this tractor. Here is a quick hitcher, and in the middle of the rear of tractor are 2 type toolbar. This is U-type toolbar, and this is swing type toolbar. So this tractor is suitable for the big size farmland. If you like it, please let us know.